In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your domain email in Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing one, verifying your domain email is an important step. It confirms that you're the rightful owner of the domain and ensures your domain stays active and compliant. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Open your browser, go to the Hostinger website, and sign in using your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your hosting and domains, and today we'll focus specifically on your domain verification. On the dashboard, look for the domain section. It's usually easy to find in the main menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the domains connected to your account. Scroll if needed and select the domain you want to verify. Next to that domain, click the Manage button. This brings you to the domain settings page where you can view and update all domain details and check the current verification status. Inside the settings page, locate the verification status area. Hostinger labels it clearly so you can quickly check whether your domain email is verified or still pending. If you see an option called Verify Email or something similar, go ahead and click it. This tells Hostinger to send a verification message to your registered contact email, which is required before your domain can be fully confirmed. Now switch to the inbox of the email address you used when registering the domain. This is important because the verification link will only be sent to that specific email. Look for a message from Hostinger. The sender will typically include a Hostinger address so you can recognize it easily. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This action confirms your ownership and completes the verification process on Hostinger's side. If you don't see the email right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes automated messages get filtered by mistake and you don't want to miss the link. After clicking the verification link, give Hostinger a few minutes to update your domain status. It usually takes less than 15 minutes for the dashboard to show the verified status, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully verified your domain email with Hostinger. Completing this step keeps your domain active, secure, and in good standing. If you ever run into issues or need extra help, Hostinger's support team is always available, and they can walk you through any part of this process whenever you need it.